what's up guys and welcome. So today we are going to be discussing about a new topic known as Atlantis. So many of you would have heard about Atlantis, but today we are going to be taking a detailed look of what was Atlantis. So as many people know, Atlantis is also known as the island of Atlas and is a fictional island mentioned in the books and writings of Plato. Now who was Plato? Plato was an Athenian philosopher in ancient Greece. He is widely considered a great figure in Greek and Western philosophy. Now what will make you believe that Plato's writings are true and that Atlantis really existed? Now let me give you an example. One of the writings of Plato was Phaedo. Phaedo can make you believe that Atlantis can be a true story. In Phaedo, it is written about a sinking ship, also known as Phaedo II. Now, as per written by Plato, Phaedo II should have been a real ship near Western Africa. So, people didn't believe about Plato, but after interrogation, they found that Phaedo II was a real ship which was sunk near Western Africa. This tells us that Plato was a very practical person and that all his writings were true. Now that we have learned about Plato, now let's come back to Atlantis. Now, as per Plato's book Timaeus and Critias, in which it is written that Atlantean people attacked the real world. Now, which is very interesting is that in one of the books of Herodotus, who was a very famous historian, there is a picture that indicates us that Atlantis was a part of the map. Now, as per the picture shown right in front of your screen, it indicates that Atlantis was a part of the map just beside America. Now, this might not be true, as it is yet to be declared where Atlantis has really been found. So, this is not a true fact, but it is believed that Atlantis is yet to be found, that where it is originally situated. Despite its minor importance in Plato's work, Atlantis had a considerable impact on literature. Soon many writers and poets took into their notice and started writing about Atlantis. Now Atlantis was a topic to be thought of briefly. It has now been a topic of fascination for philosophers and historians for more than 2400 years now. Let us discuss about the questions that come up in our mind while discussing about Atlantis, the lost city. Let us discuss about question number 1. How did Atlantis sink? Now first let us discuss about Atlantis' size. Now the only source was Plato's books and writings, and as per Plato's books and writing, it is told that it would have been as big as a whole country. If it would have been as big as a country, then I don't think it can sink so easily. So the only thing that can make a whole country sink is nothing but an earthquake. Yes, there are many reasons for Atlantis sinking into the sea, but the main reason as per research is earthquake. The soil got muddy and the whole country was drowned to the seas. Now let's discuss about question number 2. What actually was Atlantis? Now, according to Plato's work and other sources, Atlantis has been described as a powerful and advanced kingdom that sank in a night and day into the ocean around 9600 BCE. Since the 19th century, there has been renewed interest in linking Plato's Atlantis, as there has been more places where islands have disappeared, such as the Greek island of Santorini. This is a story that derives Atlantis. Greek island of Santorini was also an island that suddenly disappeared and was found later. So Atlantis could be true. Now let's go to the end of the video by discussing some unknown facts about Atlantis. As per researchers, Atlantis has shown that it was home to one of the most rare wildlife creatures which we never even thought of. So this means that Atlantis would have been home to creatures that we would have never seen on an earth and maybe not even ever in any picture or any source. So this makes Atlantis very unique. Another interesting fact about Atlantis is that its other name was the City of Gold. So if Atlantis existed in real life, it would have been one of the richest places in the whole earth. Last fact but not the least, Atlantis' location is still unknown, but some believe it is in the coast of Spain, some believe it was on the Mediterranean Sea, and some tell it was on the Atlantic Ocean. Actually, there's not a single place where Atlantis hasn't been located. So with this guide, we are signing out for this video. So please write down in the comments what should I discuss next. So bye bye guys.